Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to discuss the KDD process. A KDD process means the knowledge discovery of data process. So what is a KDD process? It is actually an application of a particular data mining method. So what is a data mining? Data mining, as we discussed in the previous video, it means we have a large repository, a large collection of data and some related information, and we have to extract, that is we have to find out something from it. And it is basically finding out knowledge in data. That is, we have a lot of raw facts and we have to find out knowledge, or we have to find out what is useful for us in that data, in that large collection of data. So KDD process, it consists of several steps, basically 5 steps. The first step is cleaning and integration. So what happens in cleaning and integration? As the name suggests, what do you mean by integration? Now what has happened is that we have records from various different sources. Like for example, if I talk about a university, library has its own records, account section has its own record, the registrar has its own record. So when I want to collaborate all these things, what I'll do when I have multiple records and I have to make a repository, that is I have to make a big collection or a big storehouse. So what I will do, I will take the all these records of different formats and I will integrate it. So that is, I will combine it. That is called integration. Right now the formats are different, I just have collected them at one place. And what is cleaning? That is, I have to remove the irrelevant values, or I have to remove those values which are no longer useful for me. Example, some employee has left, so from the staff data, the details have to be removed. So that is the cleaning. Now for example, now the next step is the data enrichment. Enrichment, what do you mean by enrichment? It means that increasing the value of data. That is, example, some staff members have arrived, or some new students have taken information admission in the college, or you can say you have new number of books in the library. So what will happen? I have to make new records. So suppose they were missing in the previous tables or previous data, I will add on in the repository. So that is data enrichment. Now once my data is accurate, that is I have removed the useless data and added on the data that I need more, what I will do is data transformation. That is, I will put the data in a particular format that I want. Suppose the earlier data was in the form of Word, Excel, different formats. Now I will combine the data and give it a uniform formation. That is, I'll give it a uniform thing. All the things that I earlier had in different formats, I will take it in one uniform format. Say I want all the data in Excel, so I will export all the data files, or I'll maintain them in one format. The next is data mining. Data mining, as I discussed, that is the extraction of some data or predicting some results that you want from the data, and that is very well discussed in the previous video. You can check out the playlist. Then last is the report generation. That is, after the data has been cleaned, integrated and everything, so what will happen is that I will generate my required reports. Example, I want the names of all those people whose salary is greater than 10,000. So I will be able to have my particular or the desired answers, and I'll be able to get accurate informations. So that is all about the KDD process in very precisely and shortly, and that's all you need to know about it. I hope you understood well, and if not, if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, or you can mail me at lastminutetutorials.com. Thank you for watching my videos, and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.